Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Looking for the best headphones under $200? You're in the right spot. At our channel, we deliver daily high-quality videos to help you navigate through various product options. Today, we're delving into the realm of budget-friendly audio bliss. Stick around to find your perfect pair. And if you find our content helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and explore more of what we have to offer. Let's dive into the world of incredible headphones without breaking the bank. Number 1. Audio-Technica ATH-MSR7. When headphones are able to balance form and function, we stand up and take notice. Audio-Technica's ATH-MSR7 do just that by combining thick memory foam padding, an aluminum/magnesium housing, and rich, consumer-friendly sound to create a fantastic overall value. They're cans that'll please audiophiles and average consumers alike, so long as they don't mind spending a little to get that high quality. At this price point, consumers expect to be wowed by the headphones' comfort, sound, and features. The Audio-Technica ATH-MSR7 headphones check all of the right boxes. Number 2. SteelSeries Arctis Pro. If you're going to pay out the nose for anything, let alone a gaming headset, it needs to be downright impressive. Thankfully for SteelSeries, the Arctis Pro most definitely is. One of the more comfortable gaming headsets on the market, the Arctis Pro uses a flexible suspension band to customize the size, with super soft ear cups that stay comfortable even for hours, even while wearing glasses. Sure, comfort alone isn't enough of a reason to buy such an expensive headset, but the Arctis Pro doesn't stop there. Both music and games sound fantastic using the Arctis Pro. I played both a quiet indie game, Atma, and loud, booming matches of Overwatch while using this headset, and I was pleased with both. While playing Atma, the headset balanced the quiet soundtrack with in-game sound effects, like the crunching of grass beneath my character's feet. In Overwatch, I was able to clearly distinguish my allies' voices from in-game noise, which can sometimes be a struggle for me. That's largely thanks to the mixer that comes with the SteelSeries. For me, the mixer made for a perfectly customizable balance between game and chat. Number 3. HyperX Cloud 2. HyperX's new and improved Cloud 2 headset replaces the original Cloud as our top pick. It's extremely comfortable and comes packaged with leatherette or velour ear cups, an audio control box, and a detachable mic. The aluminum body is durable enough to last a good long while if you plan on taking your gaming on the go. When it comes down to the audio performance, you'll need to be a little cautious. These things are explosively loud. If you're not careful, they could destroy your ears. But once you've dialed in the correct volume, you're left with a headset that delivers every note and range of your game audio with beautifully detailed clarity. I was constantly surprised by new sound effects I heard while playing Overwatch, a game I've logged well over 400 hours on. That's not to mention the detachable mic that, while not as clear and powerful as the Razer Nano Rs, still left me impressed. Number 4. Apple AirPods. If you've ever bought an iPod or an iPhone and used the iconic white earbuds that were included, you pretty much know what to expect when it comes to look, feel, and fit of Apple's AirPods. What might surprise you, however, is just how much better the AirPods sound than their wired counterparts. The low end is better represented, so bass-heavy tracks finally have a chance to shine on a pair of Apple headphones, and the stereo field sounds far more expansive than with Apple's standard wired in-ears. What we like most about the AirPods is how simple it is to manage them. Just pop open the dental floss-sized charging case and they automatically connect to your iPhone or MacBook, if you're running the latest update. When you're done listening, slot them back into the case and they'll magnetically slot into place and disconnect automatically. You don't have to hold down any buttons. The pairing process is the standard Bluetooth headache on non-Apple devices, but you'll still benefit from great range and killer battery life. They're not perfect, however. The fit itself isn't as tight and comfortable as some of the other earbuds we tested. The buds are not rated to be sweat-proof, though they have survived our workout tests just fine, and the tap controls and microphone quality are mostly hot garbage. The fact that you still have to use Siri to control the volume when you can't reach your phone is insane. Number 5. Bowers & Wilkins P5 Wireless. The Bowers & Wilkins P5 wireless headphones are the wireless version of the much-loved Bowers & Wilkins P5 Series 2. They have the same magnetic ear cups and enviable audio performance that emphasizes the bass notes without overwhelming any higher notes, like vocals or strings. The battery life is a respectable 15 to 20 hours, and it has a sleek design that wouldn't look out of place on the streets of Silicon Valley. The only downside? These on-ear headphones are not great at isolation. Because they sit gently on top of your ears without compressing them, it's easy for the outside world to intrude on your music. On the other hand, we didn't experience the sweat and heat buildup that often goes hand in hand with over and on-ear headphones that press against your ears. If you prefer on-ear headphones with a loose fit and don't mind playing your music at loud volumes, the Bowers & Wilkins P5 Wireless, while expensive, is a winning combination of portability, style, and performance.